So diggity 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 hey, diggity 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 hey, diggity 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 hey, diggity 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 hey. In this car, you don't exist. Don't tell me what to do when you lose your keys and you crash into. In this life, I don't exist. Don't tell me what to do. You look pretty young for someone with a PhD. Are you really my dad? You're old.
What have you found out, guys? So let me go take some of the things that I went the materials like the smoke and other things, guys. Rocks, guys, that I usually sit on the rocks. Guys, actually I'm done, guys, but surprisingly I'm actually out of the danger zone, guys. Now I'm chilling out here before I can go to the house. But unfortunately, guys, oh fortunately, I'm surprised with these bees. They're still following up with me, guys. They're really following me. They want to see exactly where we have taken their honey. Maybe they can take it back, because maybe that was the only reserve they had stored for the season, guys. See, they are following me. Actually, I'm just like 200, 100, like